Imagine living well every day, in a home that feels effortless. Imagine freedom, the gift of time to focus on you and the things that matter most. Imagine luxury, simple pleasures, and elevated comfort. Imagine tranquility, a private courtyard retreat designed just for you. Imagine adventure, the freedom to experience all that life has to offer. Imagine connection, time to create lasting memories with the people you love the most. Imagine community, a place to enjoy where you belong. Imagine new beginnings. Your future awaits. Live well every day with Epcon.